welcome back to our channel. So today's video is brought to you by this beautiful model. She's going to model the Toddler spring summer collection from H&M. We just got our box. What she's wearing right now is not from H&M, but we're going to style everything for you. Look at the hat she's wearing. Belle, do you want to say hello?
Yep.
Say hello to everyone. No, you say hello. We could not order in store, obviously, because of what's happening. We had to get everything online. So if you're interested, we're going to style her, and hopefully you're inspired by our spring summer collection. We were meant to have done it together. I'm going to insert the videos I got from Belle and I doing it together. It would have taken us all year to finish this, so I thought I would just finish it while she's sleeping. So it's going to be our spring summer collection from H&M. We've got this huge box. Some of the spring summer things we got are from different shops, Tesco, River Island. But these are the new ones that I thought I would show you. She hasn't worn all of them. The few that she's worn, I'm inserting pictures for you. I'm going to insert pictures for you to see. I hope you enjoy them. I think we got about 31 items, and they all came under £300. The thing is, some of the things I bought for her are from ages 2 to 4, so she'll be wearing them for a long time. And H&M, because of the recent events, said they take 10 to 15 days to deliver, but it was they delivered quite early, like in a week or so. So yeah, I'm glad for that. But the first thing that I'm so in love with is this full hat. I love it. She looked amazing in it, and oh gosh, she'll be wearing it for much. She's got a few of these hats, and they're all from H&M, and this one is just so lovely. It matches with everything. She wore it with her yellow dress, mini dress with a jeans jacket, blazer kind of thing. So the bow straw hat is for $5.99. This cap is for $7.99. So all of the things are very affordable, and she looks amazing in it. Look at that. Set of 2 shorts and 2 tops. So I just matched them together. This is how I had them in her wardrobe. You see how it looks. So she matches this with that. The shorts are $12.99. The other one, $5.99. So this is $8.99, $5.99. These are $5.99 each. This is the other one, and she looks amazing in them. There's the red one, the blue one, and this blue one. I love it for her. Moving on, I bought some pajamas as well. This is also $8.99, and the shorts look a bit bigger. So in summer you have to shop, in winter you have to shop. Every season I have to shop. Neon green one, and this Superman white and pink, and a pink one. Yeah, these 3 were for $12.99, so not bad. She really loves the pink one. She wore it with her gym capris. That's a picture of her in the gym. So what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing gym clothes.
Your gym clothes. Are you ready to go to the gym? Okay. Now show me all your stuff. Do the crisscross.
I did the crisscross.
Okay, jumping jacks.
I did jumping jacks already.
Okay, do the downward dog. The yoga one.
Like this.
The down.
Like this.
You do, yeah, like that. Yeah, downward dog. Yep, exactly. So you have been listening. You bless you. Okay, let's go. She was doing jumping jacks and crisscross. So far, I feel like she looks better with this top and another trousers rather than the shorts, because the shorts look a bit like babies. She wore this with the bow. It has a hairband. She looks amazing in it. It came in a pack of 2, and my favorite of them all, these dresses. Look at them. $2.99 each, guys. Look at how cute this is. And this is also for $2.99. Look at that. Look at this. $2.99, guys. So if you have a toddler and you're not really looking for designer for them, this would be a good place to go and shop for them for the summer. I bought these shorts, and I got these in size ages 3 to 4. This is a little bit bigger than her, but she can wear it like a baggy shorts. These two came together. These jersey shirts, there were 5 of them. They are $14.99, so she can match it with these shorts and the skirts. Moving on to pajamas. You know, during the winter, or she had pajamas with long sleeve pajamas with trousers. So for the summer, I thought I would look for a few of these shorts, the pajamas with the shorts. So I got these. So that's the set for $7.99, which is quite good. But this is a set of 2. A set of 2 for $7.99, which is amazing. Look at that. How cute is this, guys? I love it. And this is the second set. And this is another one. How cute is this, guys? And this is just for $2.99, you know. This is what I like about H&M. So they have high end and low end. Look at this one. This is an easy wear. I like the color. I like the cherries in it. And this is for $5.99. I think I got 2 of these. Yeah, and this is the other one. Lovely. I love it. I think that's it for the dresses. Let me show you the bomber jacket. So this is the Caroline jack, and so I got this to go with that, and that's a picture. I'm going to insert a picture for you. And she looked amazing, and I love the color. I just love the way it is. For shoes, I got this leather slippers, and it was for $19.99. So we may have to leave it for a while. Maybe she'll wear it this year, maybe next year, but for now it's too big for her. I think I got the size wrong. That's the thing. Some sizes are too small, some sizes are too big. So I'm thinking she's a size 8.5, because the shoe size 8 in some shops are too small for her. So I think she's 8.5, and so this is also too big for her. But I'm thinking by the time summer comes in full force, she'll be ready to wear this. This is $7.99, and I got it in 2 colors. This is the rose gold one, and I got the black one, and I got these ones also in size 9. Yeah, this is the last of the H&M items. I got these socks, a pack of 7 for $5.99. She needs some trainers and some shoes, so my mom bought these from Tesco F&F. Look at how cute they are. And this was for £14. Yeah, and this other one, the one she's wearing in this picture, this was also around the same price. So thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Nana. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're inspired to do your own spring-summer shopping haul for your toddler. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We got everything from H&M, with the exception of these shoes that my mom bought for her. Everything else is from H&M. So yeah, do check them out. They are not sponsoring me, no, but this is what we got for summer. If you're thinking about shopping for your little one, H&M is amazing. Now that all the shops are closed, you cannot go to Pyjamas. H&M will be the best place to go to. So thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you and stay home, and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye.